Hi, everybody. This is Dubleeble, and this is part 2 of learning C#. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about if statements and else statements. Now, basically what an if statement is let's give you an example. So let's say if A is equal to 1, then do this, which we can have something in there, and also else statement. Else. So that's if A equals 2 or 0 or anything other than 1, then do something else. And also we can say or A equals 2. So either if A equals 1, then do this, or if A equals 2, then do this. Else if A equals 0 or 3 or any other number, then do this. Now, these here, I guess if we were talking about electronics in real life, would be logic gates. We have the AND, OR, and all the other ones, NOT gates and all that stuff. We can also do AND. So we have if A equals 1, and also A has to equal 2, which in this case, that's not going to happen. Which, okay, let's make this make sense. So C equals, let's just say if it equals 10.40 float, then do this. So this and this have to equal, so A has to equal 1 and C has to equal this to do something else, then do something else. So we'll go ahead and test that. So we'll just say A equaled 1 and C equaled 10.40, and then we have to do just then if I don't do that, they will just open up and close really quickly. Let's go ahead and run that, and there we go. Now let's change this to 2 and 12. I want to say, let's just copy this down to here. A did not equal 1, and C did not equal 10.4. So run that, and that's what that is else because A didn't equal 2, and because C didn't equal 12.40, it does the else statement. Now let's do OR statement. OR statement. And let's change that to 1. Go ahead and run that. And there we go, because we had either A has to equal 1 or C has to equal 12.40, which in this case it doesn't, because A equals 1, it just automatically goes ahead and does it because we have the OR statement there. Okay, so now let's do the Boolean. Actually, let's do the string, because we haven't done that. So, if B equals 1, then we'll just keep these, actually we'll change it. B equaled 1, and we'll erase that and say B did not equal 1. Run that, it says B equals 1. Now if we change this to, let's just say something else, and we run it, it's going to say B did not equal 1, because of the else statement. Now let's go ahead and let's do the Boolean. So let's do D equals true. There we go. And then we'll say D equals true, or if not, then D did not equal true. So we'll go ahead and run that, and it says D equals true. Sorry. There we go. And if we change this to false, I run this, it will say D did not equal true. So that's it for this tutorial on the basic if statements. So thanks for watching. Make sure to check out Dubleeble.com, and goodbye.